Hello everyone, and welcome to the very first installment of the Overland Calling Southeast Adventure Tour. This episode's going to be a little bit different than most. I wanted to show you some of the prep work and getting there part of things. Some of the behind the scenes stuff that maybe I never really show in my videos. But don't worry, it's not all packing and pavement. We are headed to the old North Carolina 105 to do our best to try and find an epic camping spot. Time to get ready. See if I still remember how to do this. Closed up for way too long. Man, I'm out of practice. That's what happens when you sit home all winter. Did you ever try and make a bed while you're actually on it? That's pretty much exactly what this is. Oh, and even better, they put these nice little things right here to let you know that this is the side and not the top. Unfortunately, that's not how I have it set up. Start over. Break time. So I always try and pull my batteries out when and do all my maintenance during the winter. See if that mic's actually picking me up. So I try and do it during the winter when I know my batteries are going to run flat if it gets down below freezing and all that good stuff. So that's what I've been doing, but now it's time to put Humpty Dumpty back together again. I actually took a day off work, which meant I only worked half the day, so that I'd have some time to get this finished up. Because I'll tell you what, that itch is coming. I'm gonna be making a trip. Haven't exactly figured out my leave date yet, but going up here pretty soon. Take a trip out. Not a super long one, maybe just a couple weeks. Kind of knock the rust off. I'm making up this bed, but I'll be taking my dog, so pretty good chance I'm never actually gonna be sleeping in this bed. I do love my dog, don't get me wrong. And it's nice having a pet out with me. But I do miss sleeping in this tent. It sleeps extremely well. I don't have any fancy mattresses or anything like that, but to tell you the truth, I actually like a pretty firm mattress. And this thing just works wonders for my back. Thought about getting one of those fancy sponge bath things. And don't get me wrong, I'm sure they are super nice. I really don't have room to carry anything else. It's got to be pretty critical for it to be a complete gear ad. Because space is the one thing that I need the most. And if I don't have to carry more stuff with me, I'm not going to do it. It just is not worth it whatsoever. So it turns out that you can heat up some water, put a washcloth in it, and that makes for a pretty good sponge bath too. So, I mean, hey, it's not nearly as fancy, but it costs about $2 at Walmart to get all the supplies you need. This is a really nice thing for the tent. It's nothing more than a sleeping bag that just comes fully open when you want to use it as a blanket. Works like a champ, and it's super light. It's not quite as nice as some of the, $300-400 ones. It's synthetic, but not quite as warm, but it sure does the trick when I need it to. I've got multiple layers, so that gets me by. The way this tent works is the side that you're on right now actually folds over, lands about right here. So I've got a fair amount of space right here to keep all my bedding. That old muscle memory is starting to come back now. Turns out this is really hard to do with one hand. So I got the box in place, got it strapped in. Definitely got to find a way to clean that up. That is a rat's nest. Time to get the box in. Got the strap around it here. Now it's just time to utilize that tie down point that I put in here. Now, time to get the water ready. Nothing like fresh water for a fresh trip. Time for round 2. Quick tidbit on maintenance for anybody thinking of getting a Lifesaver jerry can. You have to store it with water in it or the filter will go bad. Ask me how I know. Throw this little pad down. Right in there. Oh, the joys of packing. Let's see if I still remember how to do this from last year. Last but not least, the table. You don't want to go? You don't want to go, buddy? Oh, no. All right, bye.
You actually brought the Slim Jim.
Uh-huh.
I actually brought the Slim Jim.
We're on the open road, buddy.
Left turn, Papa.
Are you ready for a break? Yeah, you're about ready to crawl out, aren't you? Yes. Yes, say hello to everyone. Look here. Look here. Oh, there we go. Good boy. Good boy. All right. Go house. Go house. Good job. All right, sit. Good boy. Good boy. All right. Enough screwing around. Let's get back on the road. We're almost to dirt, buddy. We have found dirt. And it is bumpy. And it's still super windy. This, I don't know. What do you think of this, buddy? Well, we haven't disengaged any sway bars, and we are bouncing around like crazy. Did you miss this? Man, it is killer windy up here. Hopefully that keeps people away. That and the fact that it's Sunday night. Oh yeah. That is one nice view. All right, it's time to get to camp. I know, you're ready to get out. All right, let's get to camp. The spot's close to the road, but I'm taking it because it's almost 7 o'clock on a Sunday. There you go. Whoop, pee time. Avert your eyes. Take a quick look at camp here. There's the road. That's the downside. It's not so level. Trash in the fire pit. Gotta love it. All right, people. Cans do not burn. That's why we bring big trash bags to clean up other people's messes. It's way too windy to have a fire tonight, but man, would you look at that view? God, that's amazing. All right, let's see how out of practice I am, because it's getting cold. It is definitely time to set up camp, getting a nice warm awning. Trying out the new awning today. That's going to be a bonus. It is chilly. That's okay. Kind of excited. Got an electric blanket that I'm going to be testing out tonight. Because I don't know if you saw the Florida video, but I don't like to be cold. Get these ready because it is super windy. So I want to have them ready to go. Oh, I've already got 2 of the straps on here. Well, that's amazing. Look at me thinking ahead. We We may double brace this bad boy though. Because man, is it cold. All right, let's try sitting it up in the wind. Oh, wonderful. Well, I don't know when you cut out, but we got some of it done. And it is cold. I'm in the bag. And I got a heating blanket on. Just snoozing away in the whoopee. It's not very photogenic at night. This is gonna be a good little bit of wind here. I think she's gonna hold up though. Oh wow. That is an amazing sunrise. Night was super windy, but man, is this a payoff. Beautiful red skies. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button for me. Subscribe, hit notifications if you're interested in seeing more. Till next time, enjoy the ride.